At the end of the video, you'll find a valuable gift. It's a quality business plan template that you can download and easily modify to prepare a professional business plan for your business. If you're new to this channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button for more videos like this. Starting a phone repair business can be a lucrative venture in today's tech-savvy world where smartphones have become an indispensable part of daily life. However, like any business, it requires careful planning, dedication, and attention to detail to succeed. Here are 10 essential tips to help you kickstart your phone repair business and pave the way for long-term success. Top 10 tips for starting a phone repair business. 1. Gain technical proficiency. Ensure you have the necessary technical skills and knowledge to repair various types of phones, including both hardware and software issues. 2. Research the market. Conduct thorough market research to understand the demand for phone repair services in your area, identify your target market, and assess the competition. 3. Create a business plan. Develop a comprehensive business plan outlining your objectives, target market, pricing strategy, marketing plan, and financial projections. 4. Obtain necessary licenses and permits. Check local regulations and obtain any required licenses or permits to operate your phone repair business legally. 5. Invest in quality tools and equipment. Purchase high-quality tools and equipment necessary for phone repairs to ensure efficient and professional service delivery. 6. Build supplier relationships. Establish partnerships with reliable suppliers to source quality replacement parts and accessories at competitive prices. 7. Offer excellent customer service. Focus on providing exceptional customer service to build trust and loyalty among your clients. Be responsive, transparent, and attentive to their needs. 8. Market your business. Utilize a variety of marketing channels, including social media, local advertising, and word-of-mouth referrals, to promote your phone repair services and attract customers. 9. Provide warranty and guarantee. Offer warranty and guarantee for your repairs to instill confidence in your customers and assure them of the quality of your work. 10. Stay updated with industry trends. Keep yourself updated with the latest trends, technologies, and developments in the phone repair industry to stay ahead of the competition and offer cutting-edge services. Conclusion. Starting a phone repair business requires careful planning, dedication, and a commitment to providing excellent service. By following these 10 tips and staying focused on delivering quality repairs and exceptional customer experiences, you can lay a solid foundation for success in this thriving industry. Thank you for watching. As we conclude this video, it's time you get your free business plan template. Go to the description below this video to get it now. It is completely free, no strings attached,